दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, पहली नजर से ही यारा।
Truthfulness described by Muhammad Nurtajul Islam. Truthfulness is the greatest of all virtues in a man's life. It means the quality of speaking the truth. The true happiness and prosperity of man entirely depends on it. It ennobles one's character and gives one a high position in society. It may not make one rich, but it brings peace of mind. A truthful person is loved and respected by all. A truthful person carries nobody. He or she cannot commit a little vice. All religions teach us to be truthful. By dint of truthfulness, all can shine in life. Many persons in the world become great by virtue of truthfulness. Truthfulness may lead the whole world to peace and happiness.
दिल ने ये कहा है दिल से, मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे। दिल ने ये कहा है दिल से, मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे।